Hello friends, I hope all are doing very well. So let's see today. Right now I am just standing in front of the Election Commission of India headquarters, which is located in New Delhi, just close to the Patel Chowk, which is also located nearby the Shivaji Stadium metro station. So I am going to explain in details about the Election Commission of India, which is located in Delhi. So stay with me and get a lot of information regarding the Election Commission of India, because of today the election result is also coming from of. So the Election Commission of India ESI, which is an autonomous constitutional authority responsible for administrating election process in India, and in this time the Election Commission of India in Hindi its role as the Bharat Nirvachan Ayog, which is located in Delhi, and called that Bhavan is called as a Nirvachan Sadan. So first general the Election Commission of India, which was established on 25 January in 1950, and headquarters which is located in New Delhi nearby the Patel Chowk. So the ESI ensures free and fair elections, and its main goal is to protect the purity of the electoral process and the integrity of elections in India. So Rajiv Kumar is the Chief of Election Commissioner of India in current time, and Sri Gyanesh Kumar and Dr. Sukhbir Singh Sandhu are the Election Commissioner right now. And Sukumar Sen was the Indian civil servant to serve as the first Chief Election Commissioner of India, serving from 1950 to 1958. And in Delhi, Election Commissioner is counting of votes in New Delhi Assembly election of 20 seats, where according to the current data of counting the votes of New Delhi General Assembly election 2025, according to the data, BJP is going to make and form the government, I think, in this time. So the first general election in India were held in between 1951 from October to 1952 till February. The first national elections after the India attained independence in 1947. At the time, the first general election held at the time from 1951 to 1952. So this is the short information about the Election Commissioner of India, Nirvachan Sadan, Bharat Nirvachan Ayog, and the Election Commission of India or Delhi Election Assembly election. There are total 543 parliamentary constituency seats in India and 245 members seats of Rajya Sabha in India. So this is the all information about the